Welcome to Adam Home Cooking. Today we are preparing grilled chicken in the oven. So these are my ingredients. I have my chicken portions here, which I've already washed clean. It's chicken portions. I have the wings, I have the drumstick, and I have the thigh of the chicken. It's all been cleaned. I have my seasoning here. I'm going to blend my ginger, some garlic, chili pepper to make it hot. That's Scotch bonnet. My mixed pepper, I'm using the red one. And I'm using this vegetable seasoning with no additives. It's different type of vegetables mixed together to make a seasoning. So I'm using vegetable seasoning instead of the Maggi tablet or the Onga. But if you don't have this, you can use any type of seasoning at all available to you. And I'm going to use oil and salt to taste. Well, my chicken is already been cleaned, washed, clean. After washing it, leave it out in your strainer or something to dry, or you can use a paper towel to dry it up. So I'm going to squeeze lemon juice on my chicken. I'll just squeeze this half lemon. It take away that strong smell, that smell of chicken. Lemon is good, especially when you are doing grill. Just squeeze lemon juice on your chicken. It tastes different and it gives it a nice flavor. So after squeezing the lemon juice on this, I'm going to prepare my seasoning now for the oven grilled chicken. You can also use this seasoning to season your whole chicken before you roast it, either on the barbecue or in your oven. So this is my Scotch bonnet. I'm going to add the pepper, garlic, and ginger. And I'll add my mixed pepper, the red one. You can use any of them, either the yellow one or the green one. This pepper is been washed already, so I'm just going to cut it up into tiny bits. I'm going to use half of the pepper because the chicken is not a lot. I'll add this to my blender. This is the vegetable seasoning powder. This is my mixed vegetable, dried. I'm adding 2 teaspoonfuls, depending on the quantity of what you are going to do. And I'm not using water to blend this. I'll use oil. Use any type of oil in your kitchen at all. Use vegetable oil, sunflower oil, or even olive oil to blend it. See, it's already done. You don't need to add water, you just add oil. So I'm going to season my chicken now. This is my baking tray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the chicken pieces on my tray. I'll add my chicken pieces, and then I'll add enough of this chicken seasoning. I'll add a bit at a time. You can do this, rub it on, marinate it, or season it and leave it in your fridge for overnight, or you can do it straight away. So you season it well. Remember, all these seasonings contain salt. So I'm going to taste it first and see before if there is a need to add salt, then I'll add my salt. You see, it's all been seasoned with the blended ingredient. So I'll just taste it. I need to add a little bit salt. You can use your teaspoon to add the salt so you don't end up adding too much salt. But with me, I'm just adding a bit of salt to my hand and then rub it on my chicken, and that's all. So I'm going to leave this chicken to season for about an hour. You can do it straight away, but I have the time, so I'm going to leave it to season for an hour and I'll grill in my oven. Now my chicken is ready to go under the grill or in the oven. Our grilled chicken is cooking nicely. One side is cooked, so all I'm going to do is to turn it over so I can cook the other side as well. Oven grilled chicken is cooking nicely. I cooked this in my oven for about 30 minutes and then I'm turning it over. So whatever you are using to do yours, whether it's oven or you are doing it on the barbecue grill, just if you see one side is brown enough or cooked, then you turn the other side. Okay, turn it over and cook the other side too, then your grilled chicken will be ready. Now the oven grilled chicken is ready. Adom Home Cooking oven grilled chicken is ready. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.